Hey guys, my friend Elisa is running late, but she has a short time span, so we're gonna start anyway. So overall, we'll look at just we'll do about 15 minutes here. Snow has finally broken out, so here, I got out the other day of snow, was waiting for it to break that 120 area. I had got out around 118 or so. Um, and it seemed like today was the day it broke out. Um, so let's take a look at this real quick. So I got out sometime yesterday, right here or so. I missed this peak. But I got out right around here. And I was expecting this would be the breakout for today, but I was just so happy. I lost like around 200 on this, but for me, it was like a win because I was in it way too long and I should have just, when it didn't go up the first day, I should have just got out. So we had a gap down here after earnings, even though earnings were good, outlook was a little bit weird and they just wanted it to go down. So let's see if we're able to fill the gap. I do like this for a little bit of a long, um, but because I am in this crazy thing called freaking what you call it, that's going up like crazy now. Because I'm in that, I don't have the bandwidth to get into Netflix and FLX. I don't have the bandwidth to get into other things. NFLS got upgraded. It's very healthy, very strong, as you can see. I was thinking it would take a little bit of a dive, um, but it's just basically new all-time high, or it's definitely 52 week. Looks like all time. Yes, it is all time, not just 52 week. It's all time high, and it's just kicking butt and taking names. So, uh, you know, you can wait for it to come down, or you can do whatever. But I'm kind of stuck in it, and I'm hoping that it will come down. I guess that hey, it was due for a downturn, and just didn't happen. Um, so it looks like Square Snow were the big winners today. And then let's see, Open, the losers or the stocks that went down, were the big ones. The losers, AMD, um, there was some type of conference going on. And after the conference, it just, well, during the conference, it started to slide and it just kept sliding. So it was, it basically slightly went up, and people who were thinking it was going to continue to go up, um, you saw what happened, literally. Just slid down, um, which doesn't say anything good. Um, so it does have a wick up, so it could possibly jump up. If you like it long term, then I would just suggest you get in it. Otherwise, you know, I would still suggest you get in it. Unless there was some crazy news during that conference that was held today. Um, AMD has historically been a good stock. Um, it's getting up to an area of support right here. right around here, so that's good. Um, so it shouldn't be that bad. Um, so yeah. Uh, then let's see. We did car. Um, that's going down. You can short the pops if you want to, but it is going down. Let's see what else. American Airlines. There was something that happened with Delta or one of the other airlines today. And American had been doing well and had been coming up, as you can see here. You have some one mountain, two mountain, three mountain. Then the fourth one seemed like it was going to be a breakout. And then we got bad news here. So I don't know if tomorrow American come back up. Um, I do know in 11 days American is supposed to what is it supposed to do? It's supposed to have earnings. So, you know, you can wait. But there was a sympathy play with, I think it was Delta, maybe another airlines. If someone can put it in the chat, that would be great. Um, so we can know what airline didn't do so hot for earnings, which affected obviously the whole industry. And because of that, today American Airlines went down. It does have a nice wick in the up direction. But maybe this is going down. It is a breakout, but just has to go down a little bit, just like before here. We had 1, 2, 3 days, so we'll see if we get a downward day tomorrow. I told Elisa that I would just wait until I would just wait until you know until earnings came out for American. I will wait until 11 days, so that's my goal. Boeing, we've talked about this one. It's just craziness. Old CEO still there. New CEO, I don't think um is the person they want just based I don't know this person, the supposedly named new CEO. It's just the fact that the person does not have the person's background is not in engineering and um quality, safety, all of that good stuff. So it's just a background, I think, in more of a background in business. Um, Boeing does not need to be um, a better business, pinch the pennies per se. What they need to do is learn how to make again the best um, parts, machines, airplanes, etc., etc., etc. And once they do that, they'll be able to charge accordingly because there's really no competition, and um, everyone else, including American governments and all other governments, will just buy their products and their planes. So if you make the best widget, um, and it doesn't fall out of the sky, and you don't lie to people and try to do software fixes for what should really be hardware fixes, um, then you um then you usually will do better. So if you hire a person with a business background, that person is going to want to do business things. So it says, oh, no coffee in the break room. Or, I'm saying that to be it's facetious, but it's the person will do stupid things. And from a perspective of um the short term effect. but the long-term effect is not good. Um, Coin was down, Home Depot was down, but this got upgraded, so long-term Home Depot seems like it's going to be doing good. Um, would like to wait for a short on it, but when people will take their money, um, but when that happens, it will happen everywhere, and I guess it should be obvious. So, you know, then we can short for a few days. Um, Kava Dix. This is one I kind of recently shorted too. And it seems like it's going down. Oh, people, I think my friend's on the phone. She didn't log in, but we'll just keep going and wait for her to log in. Um, so yes. So um Dix is seems like it's trending now, but I'm not sure. Um, it mellowed out around 220 or so, whatever this is, 218, and then it started going down. So we'll continue to watch it, see what happens, and just go from there. Uh, let's see. Only got a few more minutes. Um, so let's see. We got Walmart, negative a percent, down a percent today. Um, this is just a big increase. It seems like now it's going to eventually, like, soon come back to VWAP. So that's probably going to be about $5 at this point. So it's up to you whether you want to wait the time and see how long it takes. It seems like this is at the last stages, so it may only need to take like I don't know, um, the rest of this month, and then it will go down to VWAP at least. So if you want to do $5 a share, but I don't want to hold my money up like that with Walmart because for me, it's Walmart's way too slow. I ain't got time for that. Um, Same thing with what you call it? This thing called not Walmart, Meta. Um, I've liked the short for the longest time, and all Meta's been doing is kicking ass and taking names. So, it peaked at 600. I probably would have been the person to say, hey, let's get it at 600 as a short, and then it would have blew me out of the water again. So let's just see. Um, this 50-day moving average, I don't know if it's coming down. It did a little turn up. So I don't know if it's gonna come down or not or what. But Meta is one I do want to watch. Um, Maybe see if it gets back to 600 again. It got to 590 today. Um, and I think that's about it. Unless the audience, aka Munoz, has any requests for me to put in, I think that's gonna be it. Um, let's see. I haven't. I can look at my notes. Chat. Nothing there, so that's good. Okay. I just want to make sure somebody didn't have comments and stuff. Um, let's see, Dollar Tree. We know where we want to get for Dollar Tree. That's at where it was at before. We wanted closer to 69. Um, Amazon. I mean, American, not American. Yeah, Apple. Um, hmm. So this for Apple is kind of all over the place. went down, then came up further. I don't know what this thing's doing. Uh, yeah, it could be headed for a little downturn. But who knows? We gotta wait and see. We'll probably not do too much until after the election anyway. Nikete, it was upgraded, I think, to 95 or 97. Um, it looks like this is about to turn. This does look like a good idea, you know. Maybe it's worth getting a few shares. This is 82.28. Yeah, might as well see. Yeah, it did get upgraded, so and it looks like it's coming up trying to fill the gap. So that's that. I forgot to put show orders in here. And I probably should. Okay, it is GTC Plus. Okay, but we're not gonna worry too much about it. We're just gonna do that. All right, guys. We gotta go. We got a hard cut off. So thank you. Does anyone have any comments, questions? Please like and subscribe. That would be great. And we look forward to talking with you guys and chatting with you guys. Have a good day. Enjoy and peace out.